Welcome back to Bike Future Hub. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting scooters of 2025 at the Yamaha NMAX 160. A stylish, powerful, and tech-packed commuter that blends convenience with performance. If you're in the market for a premium urban scooter, this one deserves your attention. Right off the bat, the design of the 2025 NMAX 160 makes a strong statement. The front end features a bold and aggressive LED headlight setup, giving it a futuristic and sharp appearance. The aerodynamics have been slightly refined from its predecessor, ensuring better wind deflection while maintaining its compact and practical dimensions. The turn signals are now seamlessly integrated, enhancing the sleek and premium look. Yamaha has also upgraded the smart key system, adding convenience to an already user-friendly package. Moving to the side profile, the sporty and well-proportioned bodywork stands out. The sculpted panels and flowing lines give it a dynamic character, making it look fast even when standing still. The underbone frame has been reinforced for better rigidity, contributing to improved handling. The comfortable step-through design makes mounting and dismounting effortless, and the redesigned seat offers better support for both the rider and the passenger. Storage remains a strong point, with a spacious under-seat compartment that can easily accommodate a full-face helmet and other essentials. At the rear, the NMAX 160 sports a redesigned LED taillight, ensuring maximum visibility in all conditions. The tail section is sharper, complementing its sporty stance. The exhaust system has been slightly repositioned for better weight distribution, while the rear grab handles are integrated seamlessly into the bodywork. Now, let's talk about the heart of this machina, the engine. The 2025 Yamaha NMAX 160 is powered by a refined 155cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, Blue-Core engine, delivering a smooth yet punchy performance. Thanks to Yamaha's VVA, variable valve actuation, technology, it ensures strong acceleration across the entire rev range while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The new model has received slight tuning adjustments, boosting its power output to around 15.5 horsepower, making it one of the best-performing scooters in its class. The CVT transmission remains silky smooth, ensuring effortless riding in city conditions. Performance-wise, the NMAX 160 delivers a perfect balance of power and comfort. Whether you're commuting through busy streets or cruising on the highway, the ride quality remains impressive. Yamaha has fine-tuned the suspension setup, featuring telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks, offering a plush yet controlled ride. The disc brakes on both wheels, equipped with ABS, provide excellent stopping power, enhancing overall safety. The traction control system, a rare feature in scooters, ensures better grip, especially in wet or slippery conditions. The handling feels nimble, making lane filtering a breeze, while the slightly wider tires improve stability at higher speeds. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Yamaha NMAX 160 sits in the premium scooter segment, but it justifies its cost with top-notch features and performance. While official prices may vary by region, expect it to be priced competitively against its closest rivals, making it a solid investment for urban riders looking for reliability, style, and efficiency. So, is the 2025 Yamaha NMAX 160 worth it? Absolutely. With its aggressive new design, refined engine, advanced tech features, and improved ride quality, Yamaha has once again delivered a winner. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend city explorer, the NMAX 160 offers a perfect blend of practicality and fun. That's it for today's review on Bike Future Hub. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth bike reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new NMAX 160 and what bike you want us to review next. Until next time, ride safe and stay ahead.